A very good morning to one and all. This is Dr. Jyotirmay, consultant gynecologist and fertility specialist from Aviro Hospital. So today we are going to learn about impact of obesity on fertility. So obesity is termed based on the BMI. So BMI is calculated based on the height and the weight. If the BMI is less than 18.5, it is termed as underweight. If the BMI is between 18.5 and 24.9, it is a normal. And if it is between 25 and 30, it is overweight. And if the BMI is more than 30, we term it as obesity. And if it's more than or equal to 40, we term it as severe obesity. So how this obesity impacts a general population? So the complications of obesity are hypertension, cardiac diseases like MI, peripheral vascular diseases, peripheral neuropathy, liver disorders, thromboembolic disorders, and apart from that, the people will be having sleep disorders like sleep apnea and psychological disorders like depression. So these are the general complications. So apart from that, how this obesity is affecting a female in fertility. So because of this obesity, there is increased insulin resistance leading to hyperinsulinemia, hyperglycemia, and reduced levels of insulin-like growth factors. So these reduced insulin-like growth factors in the ovary and the adrenal glands will be leading to the hormonal imbalance in the female, and male hormones are increased in the females. So these male hormones are androgens mostly, those are increased in the females. That will be leading to the chronic anovulation. What is this chronic anovulation? Chronic anovulation means there is no release of this oocyte from the follicle. So that will be leading to the infertility. And apart from that, even though there is ovulation, there will be fertilization failure. Even though there is fertilization, there might be implantation failure and leading to recurrent abortions. So this is how the obesity will be affecting the females. And apart from that, they are prone for more number of infections. That will be leading to the change in the environment of the uterus and the fallopian tubes. That might lead to the tubal blockage and lead to the infertility. Then apart from this, even though if the female becomes pregnant, she might be having pregnancy-induced hypertension, diabetes mellitus, and cardiac diseases during the pregnancy. And among the males, how this obesity will be affecting the males? There will be hormonal imbalance leading to reduced levels of testosterone. And these reduced levels of testosterone will be leading to libido and erectile dysfunctions. Even the quality of the sperm, count of the sperm, and the motility of the sperm is also affected, and that will lead to the infertility among the males. So how can we combat this obesity is that by having a lifestyle modification, which includes mainly the stress management, by doing at least 15 to 20 minutes of yoga in a day and having a healthy diet, taking more amount of foods containing these micronutrients and macronutrients, and also by doing regular exercises for about 30 to 45 minutes. Even though there is a reduction of 5% in the body weight, that will drastically improve the fertility. So weight reduction is the main component in the obesity management. Thank you.